Hello dear friends. Today's our next topic is sex determination in human being. In human being, the chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is XXXY type. Okay. So first point, in human being, the chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is XXXY type. XXXY type. Okay. So in human being, the somatic cell that is diploid contain 46 chromosomes, or that is 23 pairs. Okay. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes, and one pair is sex chromosome. So autosomes are responsible for to determine the body characters, and sex chromosome is responsible for to determine the sex of individual. Okay. So in human female, the pair of sex chromosome is that is XX, means homomorphic chromosome. क्या homomorphic pair of chromosomes. And in male the pair of sex chromosome is that is XY, that is heteromorphic chromosome. Okay, that is heteromorphic chromosomes. Okay, next point. So the genotype of male, that is, yes, 44 autosomes plus XY, and the genotype of female 44 autosomes plus XX. 44 autosomes plus XX. Okay. So during gamete formation, okay, the diploid germ cell undergoes germ cell intestis undergoes spermatogenesis. Okay, undergoes spermatogenesis and forms two types of sperms. That is 50% sperm contain X chromosome, and 50% sperm contain Y chromosome. 50% sperm contain X chromosome and 50% sperm contain Y chromosome. Okay, so during gamete formation, the germ cell in ovaries, okay, during gamete formation, the germ cells in ovaries undergoes oogenesis and form only one type of egg contain X chromosome. Hence, the human female are homogametic and human male is heterogametic. Human female are homogametic and human male are heterogametic. Okay, so when the sperm contain X chromosome, X chromosome fertilize with egg, the child produce that is female, and the sperm contain Y chromosome, it is fertilized with egg and the child produce that is male. ओके, आता सगळ्यांनी इकडे लक्ष द्या की सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन ह्यूमन बीइंग मध्ये काय स्टडी करतोय आपण. इन ह्यूमन बीइंग द क्रोमोसोमल मेकॅनिझम ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज XX XY टाइप. The somatic cell contain 46 chromosome means 23 pairs. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is sex chromosome. In human female, the pair of sex chromosome is XX means homomorphic chromosomes, and in male, the pair of sex chromosome is XY hence heteromorphic chromosome. Okay, and the genotype of male that is 44AA plus XY and female that is 44AA plus XX. During gamete formation, the germ cell in testes undergo meiosis means spermatogenesis and form two types of the sperm. 50% sperm contain X chromosome and 50% sperm contain Y chromosome. Okay, but during gamete formation, the germ cell in ovaries undergo oogenesis and form only one type of egg which contain X chromosome. Okay, and the human female are homogametic and human male are heterogametic. Okay, because homogametic means XX and heterogametic means XY, and the sperm contain X chromosome fertilized with egg, the child produce female, and when the sperm contain Y chromosome fertilized with egg, the child produce male. आता याचा स्टडी आपण डायरेक्टली चार्ट वरती करूया. ओके, मग आता याच्यामध्ये इथे काय स्टडी करणार आपण, सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग, त्याचा आपण चार्ट स्टडी करूया. ओके, मग त्याच्यामध्ये आता काय येणार तर फर्स्ट फिनोटाइप. मग फिनोटाइप मध्ये इकडे लिहिणार काय, लिहिणार त्या ठिकाणी फॉर एक्झाम्पल फादर. ओके, इकडे काय लिहिणार तर मदर. ओके, फादर मीन्स मेल, सो जीनोटाइप ऑफ मेल इज, मग त्याचा जीनोटाइप कोणता असणार त्या ठिकाणी ते नेक्स्ट जीनोटाइप फादरचा जीनोटाइप कोणता असणार तर 44AA प्लस XY. ओके, आणि मदरचा कोणता असणार तर 44AA प्लस XX. ओके, आफ्टर जीनोटाइप नेक्स्ट इज गॅमेट्स फॉर्मेशन. गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन मध्ये दोन गॅमेट्स असणार, कोणता 22A प्लस X 22A प्लस Y. Here the gamete formation two types, 22A plus X and 22A plus X. Okay, so after gamete formation fertilization takes place. So this gamete fertilize with this gamete. So next individual is 44AA plus XX. Okay, this gamete fertilize with this gamete, that is 44AA plus XX. So this gamete fertilize with this gamete. Okay, 44AA plus XY. Okay, and this gamete fertilize with this gamete 44AA plus XY. Okay, so the F1 generation is मग आता हा जीनोटाइप कोणाचा आहे तर याला 44AA प्लस XX म्हणजे फिमेल. इथे पण काय असणार तर फिमेल. हा कोण असणार तर मेल अँड दिस इज मेल. ओके, मीन्स द possibility of childs are 50-50. Okay, so according to this chart the conclusion काय असणार मग it indicate that the sex of child is depend on the type of sperm fertilized with egg. Okay, type of sperm fertilized with egg means in human being the father is responsible for the determination of sex of child, not mother. Okay, conclusion काय मिळणार मग तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी तिथे yes the sex determination in human being is depend on the type of sperm fertilized with egg means why because father is responsible for the sex determination in human being, not mother. Okay, so mother is not considered for the sex determination in human being. Okay, so this is the conclusion of this topic. Okay, so the next topic is sex determination in birds. So we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.